2011. So I warmly welcome Dinesh ji, and over to you for the next part.
Hello friends, good afternoon to all of you. As my co-panelists have already spoken at length about the challenges faced by the print industry, I shall only summarize my thoughts and what Print Plus has done in these 41 days. The immediate response was a state of shock. This was the most unexpected thing to have happened. We were hit by something which is still unknown. As things started to sink in, first was safety of all the employees and people around. As days progressed, realization came in that things have changed and we are going to live in a world which will be totally different. Our lifestyles will change drastically. A new normal, not the regular fast life we are accustomed to. Obviously, the first plan was a plan of survival. Well, the morning was quite disturbing initially, but later realized this is the best time to pursue some hobbies, give more time to family, and follow some exercise routine to keep physically fit and mentally healthy. Fortunately, we have a very good, positive, and a supportive team. My CEO is also very optimistic, and we are working out many permutations and combinations to start the operations based on final lift up of the lockdown. Our HR head is in constant touch with all the employees. The CEO, along with him, has been conducting video conference sessions with all the department heads. The heads are in turn calling up each and every employee to know their state during these times. The security and housekeeping have been beefed up. The housekeeping is sanitizing the factory weekly, and we are following up constantly through video calls and messages. My marketing team is in constant touch with the employees. My marketing team is in touch with the clients through video conferencing, phone calls, and emails. Our CFO and his accounts team is regularly in touch with the bankers, updating them about the status of the company on a regular basis. The IT team has been planning to upgrade our systems since work from home is going to be the new norm. The future is still unknown as on date. But instead of panicking, we are looking to how to improve our efficiency and ensure optimum utilization of resources. This lockdown has made us introspect about what mistakes we have made in the past and how we can prevent the same in the future. Hence, this will be a learning curve. Also, we had an opportunity to do a CSR activity through our sister concern, manufacturing leather goods. We have made headgears and masks for local distributions to the hospitals and police stations free of cost. We have presently kept infrared thermometers, mattresses, sanitized spaces, and ready-to-eat food facilities for the skeleton staff whenever we are ready to start partially. I take this opportunity to thank all my team for the support, and I'm sure we'll come out of this. The year 2020 will be the year only of survival. Like our PM Modi says, Jaan hai to jahan hai. In these times of uncertainty, where all of us await clarity from the government, all we can do is stay calm, stay safe, stay positive, stay connected, and be prepared at the earliest to restart. This period of compulsory shutdown should improve the immunity of our internal and external systems and make us thank the Almighty for keeping us alive and safe. I hope we have another webinar in the near future which says how the print industry overcame COVID-19 successfully, and all of us meet again in the happier times. Thank you.
Thank you, sir. Thank you. That was a wonderful thought that you left us with. To summarize it quickly, as a leader, he ensured the safety of all people around him and in the company. They prepared a plan of survival, gave priority to the health of the employees, believed in his team during this period. So it's like basically he has stayed connected with his team, his employees, his customers. Well, he focused upon that it is the time now to improve efficiency and utilize the resources more effectively. They have participated in this time, through their social responsibility activities, and I think that is very, very commendable. And I think now the new norm probably seems to me like, having three S's, stay calm, stay positive, and stay connected. So with this, we have finished with the panelist speaking.